Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Do you meet your friends often?
Yes, every weekend.
What do you do with your friends?
We watch movies together.
Where do you meet your friends?
We meet at the park.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you sleep late?
No, I usually sleep early.
Do you meditate?
Yes, it helps me stay calm.
Do you have any goals for this year?
Yes, I want to learn a new skill.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one brother.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym.
What apps do you use the most?
I use WhatsApp and Instagram.
What are you studying?
I'm studying computer science.
Where do you work?
I work in a bank.
What's your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place is the mountains.
Do you travel by plane?
Yes, sometimes.
Where did you go on your last trip?
I went to the beach.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping.
Do you shop online?
Yes, sometimes.
What did you buy last weekend?
I bought a new jacket.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you eat vegetables every day?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Is it raining outside?
No, it's not.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.